Welcome to our Continuum YouTube channel. Here I'm going to show you how we actually take an existing Excel file that's in not very nice format and do a quick Alteryx workflow that turns that into usable data and then apply that to all clients that send us the same file. Let's pull the file into here and then we'll see what that looks like in Alteryx. So the Browse tool allows you to look at the data each time you run. You'll see here we've got 83,000 rows. This takes 2 hours every month to process this file in Excel. We're just going to knock up an Alteryx workflow to fix it. So first of all, let's put some column headings in here. So we'll just do it very quickly. So let's call that number, name, last, this, diff, percentage diff. Let's run that. Okay, that's good. Now, next what we want to do is we want to say that this field salary applies to all of these numbers, basic applies to these numbers, overtime applies to these numbers. So we can quickly do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull that out and say that. And we can look at what the data looks like. So effectively what we're going to do is we're going to create a new column. So this is similar to using Excel to do this. So we're going to say pay comp. And we're going to say if name is null, that's really about as complicated as it gets in Alteryx. So you'll see that we've now pulled that field out salary there. So next what we want to do is we want to fill that down. So in the Excel you just drag, takes hours and hours. Fortunately Alteryx has a little bit of magic up its sleeve, the multi-row formula. So this allows us to say we want to overwrite this field and then drag that there, that there. So what we're going to do is we're going to update our pay comp field. And we're going to say we want that to be if on this particular row it's got a value, then we want to use that. However, if not, if it's a null, then we want to pick up the one from the previous row. Done. So now really it's fairly straightforward. All we need to do now is just get rid of totals and things like that, and I'll show you how that works. And all we had to do in Alteryx was to add a few extra tools, allow it to actually read in every file from the single directory, and we end up with the output that you see here. A single spreadsheet, but split out by client. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.